In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Porto, that's Multipurpose and WooCommerce theme. To purchase this script, please kindly use our affiliate link to purchase the theme. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the theme. So after purchasing the theme, let me go straight to my cPanel or my dashboard. So let me go to my dashboard. So here is my dashboard. Then next, I click on appearance. So here is my appearance. So this is the default theme. So I'm going to click on add new theme, upload theme. Then next, I click on choose file to select the theme I purchased, the theme I got, to select it. So I click on choose file. Then next, I select it, then click on open. Then next, I click on install now. Okay, next I click on activate. Let's go. So okay, I click on next step. All is in order. I click on continue. Wait, and you use shy theme. Yes. Next, I click on continue. Here I'm going to select, let me select this, let me select this, let me select this, let me select almost all, let me select all, then continue. Okay, next I select demo. Let me select this, let me select this, install. Okay, your server performance does not satisfy. Okay, alternative mode. Okay, let me, then I'll use this. Installing main demo. Now it has finished installing. Then next I click on visit your site. I have successfully uploaded my theme. As you can see, here is it. Very beautiful. There's home elements, features, pages, blog, portfolio. Anyone want to go to. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also use link in description, that's our affiliate link, to purchase this theme. Thank you.